Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about a unique concept. So here you can see this is our superstore data. This is our orders table. So in this orders table, we have month, year and product name. So product name can be thousands of product names. Okay. And here you can see this is our city wise profit and city wise quantity. How much is sold. So the question is, so whatever filters I select here in a card visual, all those filters value should be reflected. So if I select on January, year and taking 2012, and product name, if I see this one, this one, this one, so I can select multiple products. Okay, so all those details should come in a card visual. This is super important because if there are thousands of products and you have a drop down menu, you cannot remember how many things you have selected, which products you have selected. Okay, so how to solve this? Let's see. So here you can see this one. So in this DAX, what I have done, so first I created a variable filtered month. So in this filter month, in this variable, so I am checking if the month column from the orders table is filtered or not. Okay, first it will see month column is filtered or not. If it is filtered, then do concatenation. Okay. So concatenation what? Concatenation of the month column from orders table. And why I am taking values? So it will select the filtered value from this column. Okay. Okay. So so this table, it is from this table orders, it is taking the value, and this is the column name month. And what I am doing, I am concatenating all the values with a comma. Here you can see with a comma. Okay, now comma all. So what that means? That means if the month is not selected, that means all the month is selected, right? So here you can see month is not selected, that means all months are selected here. Okay, like this filtered year, it will check first if the year is filtered or not, then it will concatenate the value of the year, okay, and with comma. So whichever the year I am selecting, it will go comma by it will concatenate with a comma, and if the year is not selected, that means all year are selected, like this filtered product name. Okay, then I am returning I am giving alias name like month. Okay, and is for another concatenation, and I am returning the value filtered month, filtered year and filtered product. And why I am doing unique at 10, I am adding unique at 10 also. So what does it mean? Unique at 10 means it is a Unicode for enter. Okay, if you select enter, that means it is unique at 10. So here you can see month all enter, year all enter, product all enter. Okay, so it will go line by line. Okay, so if I select month January, year 2013, product I am selecting this one, random products. So all the list of the filters will be coming in my card visual. So it is very useful for business users to get the exact things what they are looking for. So I think today it is all. So If you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, please like it, share it among your friends who wants to learn Power BI and data analytics. Thank you guys. Thank you.